This is a possible theory for the Mica Miller case. Mica Miller was not crazy. She was not mental, as her husband would make you believe. Now, she did have issues because she had been manipulated from the time she was 14 years old by this gentleman. He groomed her. He manipulated her. He gaslighted her. So, he wanted you to believe that she was crazy, but she was not. Mica was fighting back. She was going to get a weapon from the pawn shop and was going to meet up with someone. Now, what that particular situation had been, maybe she was going to fight back her own way, but she had $500 in her pocket just for that. She was going to meet up with somebody, and she was a little bit paranoid, which is why she kept looking at her clock, kept checking her phone, kept looking over her shoulder, was watching her surroundings very subtly but aware. Why would she do this if she was just going to end everything? She was to meet up with someone. She was planning to fight back. Her husband, John Paul, was aware of this because he had most of all her stuff tapped, monitored, and tracked. So they intervened. They caught up with her. They made her go out to the woods. They told her there was no other choice. She was not going to be here any longer. Her only thing that she could do now was to make this phone call, let her relatives know what the situation was about to be, and she was forced to have this phone call. She did it because she knew she couldn't fight all these people back, which is one of the reasons why the fisherman took the purse. He took the purse thinking that he was taking evidence away, but then made a phone call, and the guy basically told him, no, we don't want this. We want them to look like how we want it to look. So that's why he made the phone call. That was before the actual point of when she was no more here. She was forced to do this, no question.